Milan day 1. We look very chic today. Pistachio croissant. Oh man, look at all that pistachio cream in there. Oh. And first cappuccino in Italy. Oh, this is the spot. What did you end up getting? Cafe latte. Oh. So basically just like a regular coffee?
More of a regular coffee with milk.
Wow. Alright, so we figured out the metro. We survived the metro and... Wow! Stop. Are you dying? Wow! Welcome to Italy. So, the Duomo tickets are not till 1:30, so we're gonna kill some time at Zara. We're definitely in trouble here. Those feather shoes. Yeah, I'm definitely in trouble. Damage has been done. And now to climb, God only knows how many stairs.
On the bright side, it's going to be great for our stats.
Yes, on the bright side, we are getting our cardio in. And I feel like I'm getting like my biceps a workout as well with carrying my shopping bags.
Are you going to show the vlog how I lost my shoe?
Oh yes. Mariana's heels decided to break. So if you hear a clicky clack. Oh my god, we have to press the button. Idiot. But now we're off to La Terraza Duomo for lunch. Cheers. First Aperol Spritzes and your first time in Italy. And this view. Cheers. Tagliolini al tartufo with some mushrooms. Cheers to losing my diet this week. The TikTok that says, oh, this is my personality now. This is my personality now. Like, Italy is forever my personality. And now, to do some real damage, shopping in La Galleria. My American Express. Yeah, it's gonna hate me. I already started eating it, but we got some gelato. Woohoo! And a beautiful view of a castle. So we came back to Duomo for aperitivo time. Cheers, even though we've already started. But some like bites just showed up and we have no idea what it is, but we've bitten into this already.
It's actually pretty good.
Forgive me, I'm a horrible YouTuber, you all know this. It's like hollow pizza crust with a little bit of marinara inside. It's good though. Okay, aperitivo number 2. I don't know what this is. Okay. I think this might be like a meatball.
Oh, it's the one that I was telling you. Right?
Yeah, it's like a bite-sized meatloaf. With a fishy sauce? Not a fan of these little fishy cakes. But look at this little Krabby Patty. All right, give it a little taste test. The meatball was better. Let's see. It's like a bite-sized Big Mac. But the bread's too hard. Okay.
Last and final.
It's a little bagel. Bagel cheers. It's like a cheesy basil filling.
I don't know.
I like it. We only do big pours here. Cheers. Such a good light wine. The fact that the lasagna is in like a clay pot, I love it. Oh my god. And veal ossobuco, just to switch things up from pasta. Already a couple of bites in. That was the money bite though. That's where all the bone marrow was. We are leaving Milan, but we're about to go get the train to go to Rome.